This video was made in partnership with New Chapter Vitamins. Welcome back to TWN TV. Today we are talking about what your new mama body needs after delivery. On top of the huge hormonal shifts, new moms are going to get very little sleep. And with more moms coming back to breastfeeding, which is a wonderful thing, it's important to know what the lactating mother needs so that both the mom and the baby can get the right nutrients to thrive. The good news is there's an amazing postnatal supplement to help you. So first, let's break down some facts and then discuss some top nutrients for lactation support. Fact number 1. There are important nutrients in breast milk that are not going to be affected by what the mother eats. Those include zinc, iron, copper, and calcium. The levels in human milk, mom milk, are actually relatively constant despite what the mother eats, and that's because the human body is really awesome like that. That means that new moms do not have to really stress to get that perfect diet to still provide quality milk to their baby. With that being said, a poor diet will affect how the mom is feeling, who does need to feel her best during this difficult transition. Fact number 2, a mother's intake of some important nutrients will come through the breast milk if the baby needs it. These include iodine, DHA, vitamin A, D, E, and C, because newborns can have little amounts of these. If I had to prioritize what a mom should get, I would start with vitamin D. New mothers and babies are commonly deficient in vitamin D. Next, I would prioritize vitamin C. No matter which type of birth you had, healing is super important, and vitamin C can also help to fight off any potential illnesses and will get to the baby if he or she needs it. You can be very specific and intentional about what you eat, but if we're being honest, most new moms, especially the nursing ones, got no time for that perfect diet. Fortunately, you can get help from a one-and-done vitamin. The Perfect Postnatal Multivitamin delivers whole fermented iron to support red blood cell production, as well as vitamin B6, vitamin D3, and iodine, which are all specifically recommended for women who are breastfeeding. Because the multivitamin is fermented, it makes it much easier to digest, and it's good for your gut. Perfect Postnatal also brings in natural herbs and superfoods like, one of my favorites, fermented oats, which are anecdotally believed to support lactation, chamomile for its soothing qualities, cardamom because it's super rich in antioxidants and helps with mood support, which most moms need, plus kelp, which is loaded with the important nutrient iodine. It also contains turmeric, which has traditionally been used for its lactogenic properties, which basically means it promotes the breast milk production naturally, while also preventing inflammation in the breast. For this supplement, you're going to want to take it 3 times a day. It can be taken at the same time or scattered, whatever best works for your new mama needs. And if you're interested, I'll drop a discount code below for you to check it out. Good luck to my new mamas. I cannot wait to meet you and your new babies.